Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Mary Kay here. I hope everybody's having a super fantastic day, super Monday. Hope that your week is getting off to a great start. On today's video, I have my LD box, Luxury Divas accessory box. Finally, this is for the box for the month of May. It's kind of late because I didn't subscribe to this until the 22nd. This is a brand new box to my channel, so please let me know down in the comments below what you think about this box, if you want to continue to see this. If so, I will continue to subscribe. If you're not familiar with Luxury Divas box, it's a women's accessory box, a monthly subscription box. You can either do a one-time box, which is $30, or the monthly subscription, which is $35. And I'm pretty sure I have a coupon code for you guys. It's like $5 off, but I'm gonna have to find that code and link it down in the subscription box down below. So look for that if I am able to find it, because I think I screwed up. I'm brand new to this subscription, but I've been watching it on She Crafty and Abadabs and a few other YouTubers for a while, and I finally took the plunge to add it to my subscription box list and add it to this channel. But I'm pretty sure they had a $5 code, so I'm going to find that code and put it down here below. But I messed up and I got the one-time box instead of, I'm pretty sure I did anyways, instead of the monthly one. So if you guys like this, please let me know, because if you do and you want to continue to see it, and if I like it, then I will go in there and get the month-to-month one instead. But if not, I'm not going to fool with it. But hopefully, I'm thinking this is a really good one, a really good subscription box. Now, this box, I already took a little bit of a sneak peek, and this is not the same box that you're going to see on everybody else's channel that got for the month of May. I'm guessing it's because I ordered it so late in the month, or it's because I got the one-time box. I'm not really sure which one. If I figure that out, I'll let you guys know. So yeah, it's totally completely different than what everybody else got. So I don't really know what's up with that. But anyway, so let's go ahead and dive on in. Alright, so on the front of the box it says LD accessory box. Just a plain black box. Let me get sure my address went on there. So yeah, so let's go inside, and on the inside of the box it says Luxury Diva. Oh, and guys, as always, I'm always I'm one of the most honest people you'll ever meet. Anybody that knows me can tell you that. I can't lie at all. And if I do, you know I'm doing it, because you can tell. But I don't. So, yeah. So I'm going to give you my honest opinion about everything. No matter if my mama bought it, if I was sponsored, if affiliate, or if I bought it. It doesn't matter. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. So when you open the box, I get this little personalized card, which I really like this. I think this is really special. I don't think I have any boxes that are like this. It says, "Hello, Mary. Welcome to the LD Box Club family. I'm Marina, your curator. I'm looking forward to you opening May's box and seeing everything inside. Love, Marina. XOXO." Guys, that's personally handwritten. That's really nice touch that they do that. I really like that. So this is my curator, Marina. I'm pretty sure every YouTuber's video I've ever watched has her, but I don't think she's the only one, because I remember somebody saying that they don't always get her. So she must be one of the main ones, I guess. And then you get this, little sneak peek there. You get this piece of paper that tells you everything that's in it and the price points, which I really like that. It really irks me when I get a box that doesn't have that in it, because what if I don't know what the item is? It's really easy. I mean, it really helps if I have something that I can refer back to tell me what it is, or how it works, or what it's good for, or the item name. Even the item name. What if I want to order it? What if I want more of it, you know? It really irks me when companies don't put that in there. And then also the prices. I like to know the prices too, because I like to know, and that's one of the big things on my channel. This is an unboxing channel, but it's also a review channel. I'm not going to tell you, go buy this box, go spend your money, because I think I've got one of those coming later this week, guys. I'm really, really aggravated with this company, and I'm not going to talk about it right now. But you'll see it later on this week. A subscription box that I already know is going to be a dud. And I'm having a hard time canceling it. And yeah, I'm just going to leave it at that. So I'm not going to tell you Go buy this box if I don't like it. If I don't feel comfortable recommending this to my viewers, to my friends, to my family. And one of the big things is am I getting my money's worth? I don't want to waste my money, you know, especially in this economy and everything that's going on right now. Money is tight, so I'm not going to do that. But right off the bat, I see that this says total retail value of $118. So that's pretty good. I mean, that's really good. I mean, you're almost quadrupling your money. That's tripling and a little bit more of your money. So I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to get into this box. Alright, so this is really cute. When you first open the box, the white paper has the little gold emblem that says Luxury Divas. So the first item we have is a white and black plush high top shirt. So this is in a 1X. And this retails for $27. This is really cute. Oh my gosh. Guys, I love this. It's like, I don't know if you can even see it, but on the bottom it has ties and then it opens, so it's like shorter in the front and back, longer on the back. This could really go, you could put this with jeans, but I guess I see this more with like black pants, like for an interview kind of thing, or dressing up or church or anything. But I think you could totally rock this with some blue jeans and flats or heels or anything like that. So that's awesome. That's a win. That's a 1-for-1 so far. I like to score myself, keep myself going. Guys, I need some new sunglasses. Look at this. What? Look at this big old case. That's crazy. This thing is huge. And it's nice. It's thick and it's solid. It's not one of those. Oh my God. You guys, I love leopard print. Look at these. Let's try them on. This thing's gonna look goofy, but I'm digging it. I like it. Let me know what you think. If you like it on me, if this is my style. So these retail for $20. Oh, I'm in order so far. $20. So that's not bad. That's reasonable. And I'm assuming this is an exclusive brand because it says Luxury Divas on it. So this must be theirs. So those are $20. So we've got $20 and $27 so far. Next we have a jewelry piece. I'm not really crazy about the way that they package this because you can't really, it's just kind of thrown in there. But it says it's the baby blue and gold 5-piece stacking bracelets. Chains, beads, charms, and ties. This 5-piece set of stacking bracelets has it all. Each bracelet is distinctly unique yet paired together beautifully for trendy and popular stacking. This retails for $20. Oh, I forgot. 2 for $2. I don't know about these. I don't know. I guess I'd have to open them up, look at them, try them on to really get the real feel. But they kind of look teeny bop to me. Something that a teeny bop would wear, which is nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with that. I don't know. They're okay, I guess. The little gold ones are pretty, but I don't know about the rest of them. I might give these to my sister or my 14-year-old neighbor down the road because I'm not really sure about these. Alright, so next, I can already tell you I don't know if I like these or not. I mean, they're okay, but I'm not a big fan of these. These are okay. I'll probably put these in a giveaway. Looks like these are the attached silver plated teardrop earrings. These are traditionally long teardrop design. Hook earrings are the perfect jewelry addition to enhance any ensemble. The lock-like open etching design is sure to draw compliments. Sorry guys, I can't read today. I don't know. I don't know if I like those. But I don't know. I'll try them on later and see if maybe I'll change my mind. And if I don't, then I'll give them to somebody or something. Alright, so next we have, oh, I needed some lip pencils. This looks like a 2-pack of lip pencils. So these are 2 different colors, it looks like. This is Italia Deluxe 2-pack luxurious lip liner. Pucker up and apply your new lip pencils from Italia Deluxe that have a rich matte color. These are perfect for outlining your lips and completely coloring them in when you want a smooth, long-lasting finish. So these retail for $10. And these are available in multicolors. So I guess it's kind of like a, you get what you get. It's like a grab bag kind of thing, I suppose. Let's see if so I can open the sucker. Alright. So this is in mauve. And this is rich red. So that's that. And then I think we're down to our final item now. So it looks like you get 3, 4, 5 items. $30 retail value of at least $100 is what you're aiming for in your box. I got 118, so that's not bad. Not bad, not bad. I think this is going to be a good subscription. I really think this is going to be a good box. I like this. This is really spoiling. You get to spoil yourself. A little bit of everything. I really like it because I'm not, don't know about y'all, but I'm not really, I don't know what went in that. I don't know. I'm not really the kind of person that goes out and buys stuff for herself very often. If I'm going to buy something for me, I guess it's going to be in a subscription box. So that's what these are aimed for. They're meant for me anyways, from my point of view. Because I'm not going to go to the store and buy me some lip liner. I'm not going to go by the store and buy me some sunglasses. So I love that I get it in this. It's really a nice treat. So the last thing we have looks like a scarf. Luxury Divas. Tag on it. And this retails for $20. This is a silver mesh metallic shawl wrap. A shimmery finish and fringe trim make this lightweight shawl wrap a sophisticated style staple for your next special occasion. Effortless drape around your shoulders or wear around your arms to the elbow. So, not a big scarf person, but I like this. This looks pretty. I will give this a go. So I'm going to say, I was going to open this, but I can't figure it out. I'm going to say, wait a minute. No, we got 6 items, not 5. Just kidding. I'm going to say a 4 out of 6 for me. This is definitely worth your money. I do recommend this to you guys. Seems like a really good box. A really good bargain. But for your bargain, however that goes. So, I'm not good at tying scarves, so I'm just going to kind of whatever. But this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. Kind of got some bling going on to it. But yeah, that's everything that's in my box, guys. Please hit that subscribe button down below if you have not, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye, guys.